Hey everyone. So yeah, we're not gonna do too much tonight. Um, yeah, I ended up getting to only streaming very late, so um, but the idea of what we're going to do tomorrow, where I'll hopefully be live streaming the whole day, is we're going to look at some um, Torch script stuff. Primarily looking at how to automatically support Torch script in Flow Forecast. Um, there's some info on Torch script here. Um, so yeah, I think it's good to support it for our framework. Um, there are some problems with it right now for us because, for instance, to generate like confidence intervals, we actually have to use the neural network with dropout in training mode. That doesn't mean the model learns from any of the data. Just means that dropout will vary stuff. So, but that basically produces our confidence interval. I'm not sure that this would work with that per se. So that's kind of a problem. But either way, we're going to kind of look into it tomorrow. And I think tomorrow as a whole is going to be more of an infrastructure day. So we're going to look into both Torch scripting and also creating kind of templates in maybe in Terraform. Yeah, definitely Terraform. For deploying kind of automated hyperparameter searches on Kubernetes online. So that's going to be primarily some of the things we'll look at tomorrow. In addition, hopefully we'll have, we might do a bit with writing a data loader to be able to forecast many locations at once with metadata. So that's kind of what is in store for tomorrow and what I'm thinking of. Tomorrow I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a super live stream, probably beginning around 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m. Eastern time, and ending at around 6 p.m. Eastern time. So we'll do a full 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours of work there. I'll probably take a short break, or actually, you could probably go, all the way to 6 p.m. Eastern time. Though I'll probably take some break in there, but so that's what we'll kind of look at, is integrating the Torch script into Flow Forecast, and making it so you can at least easily save models to Torch script with our API and execute them if you don't want to do confidence intervals or dropout. I imagine that could be important in a really where speed is very important for your time series forecasting. You don't necessarily care about having a confidence interval. You could potentially do that. So those are all things we can look at. Then also just kind of maybe looking at auto wrapping models and deploying them that way. So as I said, infrastructure a big part of the day, and then probably looking at that class to do like very multivariate or multi-task forecast wrapper. Those are probably going to be the major ones. I'm also looking at, on kind of the side, on some fixes to improve the transformer. Not really even my fixes, but fixes based on recent research papers. And I want to kind of make this a scalable parameter for that. So we might look somewhat into that, but I think we'll primarily look at some of the things I'm talking about tomorrow and do more of a deployment and architecture day. So that's the plan. Yeah, sorry I didn't get around to doing a live stream tonight. But yeah, that's what we'll focus on tomorrow. So.